Choosing a Siemens Opcenter MES partner is one of the most important decisions in a digital manufacturing program. The wrong partner does not just slow the project down. They can create reporting gaps, integration issues, validation burden, and user adoption problems. Red flag number 1. They talk technology before process. MES should reflect how production actually works, not just how screens are configured. A strong partner studies the real workflow: materials, equipment, exceptions, quality checks, deviations, and operator decisions. Red flag number 2. They treat integration as just an interface. ERP, APS, PLM, QMS, LIMS, SCADA, and historians need clear ownership and exception handling. Red flag number 3. They overpromise AI. Predictive insights depend on clean, contextualized manufacturing data captured correctly from the beginning. Red flag number 4. They minimize compliance. In regulated environments, audit trails, electronic signatures, validation, and data integrity must be built into the design. Red flag number 5. They ignore the operator experience. If operators do not adopt the system, the implementation will struggle no matter how good the design looks. Red flag number 6. They customize everything. Excessive customization increases cost, risk, validation effort, support complexity, and upgrade difficulty. And red flag number 7. They treat go-live as the finish line. The right partner supports stabilization, adoption, reporting refinement, and continuous improvement. Start with a practical 90-day Opcenter implementation roadmap. Connected manufacturing can help you get there.